Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Itsewelina and welcome to another Polish lesson of the day. In today's video, I'm going to teach you useful Polish, very useful actually, Polish phrases. I like doing that because I believe once you memorize a sentence or a word, you can use it over and over and over again, and that's how you learn. You just memorize it. Learning a language, it's all about memorizing everything and then use it whenever you need to use it. But yeah, anyways, before we start, I want to mention that I do Polish word of the day on my Instagram. It's Itsewelina_, so please follow me on my Instagram if you would like to have a word of the day. And yeah, let's just get into the lesson. So the first phrase I'm going to teach you is, oh, and I have my notes if I'm looking down, that's my notes, is going to be, it depends. It depends. So when someone's asking you a question and you say like, well, it depends. And in Polish, that is to zależy. To zależy. To zależy. To zależy. To zależy. To zależy. And remember, I know when you're here for a long time you already know, but speak with me or repeat after me or just say it with me. That's how you will remember it better. To zależy. It depends. To zależy. Or you can also leave the to and you can just say zależy. Zależy. Both ways are correct. To zależy. It depends. Next word is really. And in Polish you say naprawdę? Naprawdę? Really? Naprawdę. 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 Naprawdę? Really? Naprawdę? Or mówisz prawdę? Are you saying the truth? Are you saying the truth? Mówisz prawdę? Naprawdę? Next one is why. Why? And in Polish you say dlaczego. 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 Or you might hear people saying czemu. Same word, same meaning. Different words, same meaning. Czemu. 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 Or dlaczego. 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 Next phrase is who said that? Who said that? Kto tak powiedział? Kto tak powiedział? Kto tak powiedział? Kto tak powiedział? Who said that? Kto tak powiedział? Kto tak powiedział? Kto tak powiedział? Kto tak powiedział? That's not true. To nieprawda. To nieprawda. Prawda. 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 Truth. Prawda. To nieprawda. That's not true. That's not true. To nieprawda. To nieprawda. To nieprawda. Do you like it? Lubisz to? Lubisz to. Lubisz to. Lubisz to. Lubisz to? Lubisz to? Do you like it? Lubisz to? Can I ask you something? Bear with me on this one. Mogę się ciebie coś zapytać? Mogę się ciebie coś zapytać. Mogę się ciebie coś zapytać. 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 Mogę się ciebie coś zapytać. Mogę się ciebie coś zapytać? Can I ask you something? Mogę się ciebie coś zapytać? time. Mogę się ciebie coś zapytać? Mogę się ciebie coś zapytać? Memorize that. It's a good one to know. So something. In Polish we say coś. 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 Something. Coś. Coś. In an hour. Za godzinę. Za godzinę. Za godzinę. Za godzinę. Za godzinę. Za godzinę. Like, what time are you coming? O której przyjdziesz do mnie? What time are you coming, like, to my house? Za godzinę. In an hour. Za godzinę. Za godzinę. Za godzinę. Za godzinę. All right, next one is wait for me. Wait for me. Poczekaj na mnie. Poczekaj na mnie. Poczekaj na mnie. Poczekaj na mnie. Wait for me. Poczekaj na mnie. 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 And the last one for today, we have answer my question. Answer my question. I know a lot of you might have a partner, Polish partner, and you want to tell them, answer my question. And in Polish, you say, odpowiedz na moje pytanie. 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 One more time. Odpowiedz na moje pytanie. Odpowiedz na moje pytanie. All right, you guys, and this is it for today, for the useful phrases of the day. Let me know if you have any useful phrases that you would like to learn. Leave the comments down in the comments section. And before we finish it up, I'm going to check how much you learned today. So how do you say, I'm going to just keep looking at this. How do you say it depends in Polish? To zależy. How do you say really? Naprawdę? How do you say why? Dlaczego? Or czemu? How do you say who said that? Kto tak powiedział? Kto tak powiedział? That's not true. To nieprawda. To nieprawda. Do you like it? Lubisz to? Lubisz to? This one is a good one. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? Mogę się ciebie coś zapytać? Mogę się ciebie coś zapytać? Something. This one is easy. How do you say something? Coś. In an hour. Za godzinę. Wait for me. There's a B. Poczekaj na mnie. Poczekaj na mnie. And the last one, answer my question. Odpowiedz na moje pytanie. Odpowiedz na moje pytanie. All right, you guys, this is it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoy it and you learned something new. thank you so much for your comments, for practicing with me. And what else? If you have any suggestions, any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. If you would like to follow me on my Instagram, please do so. Itsewelina_. Subscribe to this channel, ring the bell notification, something, subscribe, share, like, all that stuff. You know what to do. It just helps me to get seen on YouTube. Something like that. I don't know. But anyways, if you can do that for me, thank you so much. And yeah, I will see you guys in another video. Exciting. Do zobaczenia wkrótce. Bye. Ciausy i buziaki i cześć.